the Skeleton Brothers bone-tastic facts. Enjoy. Find time for kindness and use plastic responsibly.
Have you ever met the Skeleton Brothers?
Meet Shorty! And this is Mr. Tallbones. Together, they're here to rattle your bones with some fascinating facts. Ever wonder, are teeth bones? Well, they kind of are, but not really. Both are hard, white, and contain calcium. But teeth can't repair themselves like bones. Just like this small skeleton here starting from the ground up. It's fascinating to think about how every bone has its unique place and purpose. You might think ribs just protect your lungs, but they actually move to help you breathe. Go on, take a deep breath and feel them move. Hands up if you knew this. There are 27 bones in just your hand. The bones in both of our hands combined make up just over a quarter of all the bones in our body. Humans have 206 bones in their bodies by the time we're adults. However, babies are born with about 270. As they grow, some of these bones fuse together. Bones are alive! They have their own blood vessels and are constantly being rebuilt. Fun fact, pumpkins don't have bones, but if they did, imagine the smiles. Did you know the thigh bone, or femur, is the longest bone in the human body? It is also as strong as concrete. Ever wonder if cats have more bones than humans? Indeed they do. An average cat has about 230 bones. That's a flexible feline. While cats don't have a collarbone like humans, they do have free-floating clavicle, which is why they can squeeze into tight spaces. Our taller skeleton is almost complete. While our little buddy here is all set and waiting, let's not forget the spine. Made of 33 individual bones, the spine is what keeps us upright and houses our spinal cord, the main pathway of communication between our brain and the rest of our body. Well, that's a wrap from the Skeleton Brothers. Keep those bones dancing, and remember, they do more than just hold you up.
Until next time, keep those bones happy.